They're not too bad from somebody that don't know how to weld. Hi, welcome back. I think this video is going to be part shot tonight and part shot tomorrow. Reason being is I got off work all day tomorrow, so I can be out here a little bit and kind of sleep in. But I think tonight, I looked online, I think my little Hobart, it's a Handler 125 EZ. I think I can convert it to gas. I did watch some YouTube videos over these, but I think tonight we're gonna take it apart a little bit. And then tomorrow, had my little pity party last video, so we're gonna get back with the Clark, start filling some holes. I talked to a guy, he said he'd help me do it, but he's a month out, and I kind of want to get it done, so I'm gonna go ahead and forge on with it. And if he comes, I might have him help me set the door pillar, make sure I get that right. But yeah, I'm gonna try to tackle it myself. And if it so happens that we can't put gas on the Hobart, then I'll try to get all attachments for it. I think a bottle cost me a little 40-pound one. It's $51 a year's rent, and I think it's $33 to fill up. So if I get it to work, I'll link the video that I watched in the description below if it has the stuff that the other one had on it in the video. Which I think the back of it has a plug for where the gas hose comes into it. So I'm thinking it can be converted, but that's kind of what I want to do now, is take it apart a little bit and make sure on the PC board it has 2 prongs for the gas solenoid to hook up to, and see if it has the gas hose coming from the torch into the machine. If it has those 2 things, then it can be. So I'm gonna set you up over here. I'll start taking it apart and see if I can, and then I'll probably see y'all tomorrow at some point. All right, here's the interesting part. There's this RC6 and RC8. The video I watched, that was where the solenoid hooked up. Right there and right there. And you zip tied it to here. Turned a switch sideways. This fuse switch, turned it sideways so it would fit. Knocked that plug out. And it does have the line for gas right here. So I think I may need to look and see if this is different. I mean, it is different. It has the spots for them, but not the prongs. But it does have the hose. That's what the hose look like. It does have the spot for gas to come in. So I'm thinking it could work, and that should make the little solenoid, this pump, kick on every time I pull the trigger to let gas through the hose and stop it when I let off. So it's promising. Just need to look at it a little bit more online and see if make sure there's not something that's changed with the board. Looks promising though. I guess set this one up for gas. But we're gonna use the Clark tomorrow and start plugging some more holes as best we can on that back pan, and see how far we get with some daylight in here. Hopefully we get pretty far. And once we get all the punched holes, we'll start taking the screws out and filling in the screw holes best we can. But catch you tomorrow, which will be Friday. Like I said, I don't know how far I'll get because I got to edit, and it usually takes about an hour to edit, and then where I'm at, an hour or two to export, and then another 2 hours to upload. So it's a full day of trying to get a video out, but we'll get out here and mess with it a little bit, and hopefully you'll have better welds. But anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back to tomorrow. Getting here a little later than I thought I would, but we got a little bit of time I can be out here. We have some family coming by to visit, so I just want to get out here and get this knocked out, and I still got to edit this video and upload it today. So but it's gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try to button up the back pan spot weld holes, see if I can get those done. Essentially concentrate on that today, try to get all those filled, and then next time come back to the inner rocker and readdress it. Enough talking, let's get over there and start tacking. I have these two here just to kind of tie this up some, and this one down here I need to clean out these holes. I got a bunch of weld splatter in them, so I'm going to do that right quick. These kind of scratched a little bit through here. I had a little bit of hammer and hammer some of that down, kind of make it flatter. But I think we're ready to weld this, and I'm going to weld a little bit of the brace down to about halfway. If I make it that far, I'll be done pretty good, since it takes me a long time. So I'm going to set you back over here. We're going to try to weld again. Well, I say these welds look a whole lot better than the last ones. Except for, I don't know what happened there. it's kind of melted and started coming through, so we gotta do something about that. But for me, some of these welds look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Not to say that I probably won't have to go back over them again, but they're not too bad from somebody that don't know how to weld. I'm gonna look underneath and see if I got any penetration through, but I gotta get in the house and get ready. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, I got some family coming over. I gotta get ready. Feeling a lot better now. You see I switched out welders. That one, it just wasn't feeding the wire good enough. And I think I actually stripped the teeth on the wire feed. So that one may be non working for a while. But the Hobart, it seemed to do better than I've ever remember it doing. I got it set on the right setting, and it's spitting the wire out, and it's keeping a consistent flow. So maybe if I do get the gas set up on it, that'd be a really good little welder. But I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I got to grind it down, but I think I'm gonna fill in on the holes on it first, and then take the screws out and come back in, fill those in, and then grind everything down at one time. Anyways, I feel a lot better about it now. I think I could do this. I'm gonna get this back pan done first, get it all kind of ground down, and I may take that inner rocker off again, redo the whole brace holes and drill them all back out, and try to do it with that welder, because it seems to be, you know, humming pretty good. But we'll continue on this later. We'll work on the back pan, get it all done, and then we'll start working on the front pan up. Need to check my measurement, make sure we still got 17. I think we do. I don't see why we wouldn't. And we need to address this inner rocker and get that tacked in. And then we put the kick panel on. Thinking I can spot weld all this together myself. I think those are well. I got some pretty good penetration on the brace with the pan, so I know it's probably not gonna go anywhere. If I guess it does, that's where my wife will be sitting, so she can tell me if things are starting to fall off. I'm probably gonna wait on the guy to come and help me with that door pillar to position it right and see if he knows what to do to make it work. But if we happen to get this done before then, we'll flip it around and we'll start on the driver's side, taking parts out. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna take the whole side completely off like I did this side. Just cut out where the rust is, try to treat up in where the rust may be eventually, and just cut it off and patch pieces in. I think it's the best way to do it. With all that being said, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm excited now again, and I think I can put this together. Thank you for those who stuck around. I think I lost a couple people last time, but I mean, it is what it is. Near future, I will be doing a super clean giveaway. If you don't know what it is, it's a degreaser. They'll send one of my subscribers a super clean gift box. They'll have some of their product in it, and I may even send a hat too to the winner. But I'm gonna try to work out all the details and get that going. But I'll let you know when that happens. I'll announce it on the video and whatnot. But anyways, I think we're in a good spot. Thank you for watching. I'll post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually car related, Bronco. Be nice next week, so we will start up the Camaro next week and turn over the Healy next week. We're gonna bring the Bronco back out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.